Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and like the title says, today I'm going to be trying out this K18 product that I just purchased. It's the leave-in molecular repair hair mask. This is how my hair turned out, but I do have some very strong thoughts and feelings about it. So if you just want to see me try this product out, use it, just keep watching. I feel like I've mentioned on here before these K18 products. I know I've definitely included them in Sephora roundups for you guys. I've never tried any of them. This will be my first time, first impression. So let's get into it. This is the K18 leave-in molecular repair hair mask. It's a little tiny guy, okay? And let me just say, the K18 products from what I've seen are pricey. This is the travel size of this version and it was $30. Yeah. But it does say on the bottle that you get 8 to 15 treatments per bottle. So I feel like that's not bad for the size. So their whole thing is like they use science to repair your hair. And what it says is K18 is the world's first patented biotech treatment that renews chemically damaged hair, relaxed hair, so you know it's damaged, from the inside out. In just 4 minutes, strength, softness, smoothness, and bounce are restored for hair that looks and feels like new. It says usage: shampoo. I already shampooed my hair with the Garnier Pure Clean Silicone Free shampoo. I'll link it down below if you're interested in that. Do not condition. That's very new for me. I've never not conditioned my hair. Begin with 1 milliliter, 3 pumps, and add more as needed depending on length, thickness, and condition. Work evenly into hair from ends to roots, 1 pump at a time. Let sit for 4 minutes. I'm sorry, I'm reading this so slow because I'm just like, what? Let sit for 4 minutes. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. So I've let my hair towel dry for a little bit, like I usually do. So I'm gonna start with 1 pump. This is what she looks like. I thought she medium, teeny tiny. So 1 pump. Oh, 1 pump really does give you like nothing. So it's hard to use a lot of product here. So 1, 2. I'm gonna start off with 2 pumps. It said start with 3, but then later it said working in 1 pump. I don't know. Oh, but I'm definitely gonna need more than that. Okay, let's do 2 more, cause that barely got the front, girl. And I'm gonna do 2 more. This, y'all know, this is more product than I've ever used in my life. I don't usually use too much product, but I do like that it's kind of like leaving out the conditioner, so it's like less room for you to like overly saturate your hair, you know? I feel like I need 1 more pump. Y'all, I'm going wild here because I want to make sure I get my ends, because that's like my really big focus point. My biggest concern is like the ends of my hair. It doesn't have like a super fruity smell or anything, but it is a smell there that smells like kind of fresh. Oh, it says let sit for 4 minutes to activate. So it has to do its thing. So I'm gonna let her chill. I'm gonna re-up on my agua, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. My biggest concern is that, like, am I gonna feel like there's something on my hair? Don't know. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I'll come back. I'll let you guys know how it feels. The back of my hair felt fine. The front of it, it's weird because like it looks fine, but it doesn't feel fine. It feels like there's something on my hair. Like it feels like a little pasty something or another is on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it because I feel like that might be part of how just the product is. I don't know, maybe I'm just being too hopeful. And right away, it doesn't feel like any different. Like it doesn't feel like, oh, my hair feels so much better. It's hard for me to tell with leave-in products. This is the final result of my hair with the K18 product. First impression, I'm not that impressed. Like, I don't feel like my hair looks any better than when I don't use that. I personally feel like I don't have as much shine on my hair as I'm typically used to. I'm used to my hair being super duper shiny, and I did use the Verb Ghost Oil like I always use, and my hair is just not giving the shine. It's not giving the shine. You guys know when I was doing my hair, I kept saying like it feels like there's something on my hair, and it still feels a little bit like there's something on my hair. I also feel like I don't have as much oomph. Like I don't have as much, well, I low-key want to wash my hair again. I'm not gonna put my hair through that stress because it's not necessary. It's just like small little nuances that I'm used to with my hair. And I know what to do to produce like the same result every single time. And this is not cutting it for me. I think the whole like wait 4 minutes thing, because I usually don't do that. I get right to it. I get straight to it. I also am just not a fan of how like my hair curled today. Like overall, I'm just not a fan of how my hair turned out. And if you've tried any of the other K18 products and you think that those are like way better, let me know, leave a comment down below, because I'm not opposed to trying them. I just don't think this one was like really like my ride or die. I don't know. It's not a total no, but it's not like a for sure yes for me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.